Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 464 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Super rare.
Super rare, 100 coins,
Rare.
25 power points,
Legendary.
instant legendary. I think it's Tentacle. Yeah, Tentacle Bunny. It's a pretty unique shape there, so it wasn't too hard to tell. And this one's out, I believe, a few seasons ago, but still a pretty neat skin. But again, if you guys haven't logged on today, we got some pretty wacky stuff going on. So again, we'll start with the event selection. We have Payload back and what is essentially Present Plunder, but they just renamed it and restyled it for Zombie Heads, also known as Zombie Plunder. So again, Maze Creep and Midlands. I don't remember Midlands, but I do think Maze Creep was certainly a map they had before. But again, these modes haven't been in the game for quite a while, so it's hard to say. But we also have Brawl Ball 5v5. And again, we'll just jump into the news tab here. So this is the video I was talking about before. I don't know why I didn't just bring it up that it was in the news tab. I don't even think I bothered linking to it because I was just talking about the trophy rework anyway. But as you guys can tell, we have a new community milestone here to get to, I believe it's 20 billion takedowns, and in the special modes it counts as double or something. Again, they just released the video on it, so if you watch it you'll learn all the details. But essentially 5 billion we get double XP, 10 billion we get a free hypercharged star drop, so that's pretty neat. 15 billion we get the double star drops, my personal favorites. And at 20 billion we get again what they're calling dead boxes. I guess the mega boxes have come back to life sort of this time, but again it's essentially mega boxes with actually I don't know if there's gems in them, but again, it's basically just Halloween rewards or some other additional things you can get in there. Again, they explain it in the video, but it'll be quite a while probably before we'll be seeing any of those, because 20 billion's a lot. So again, I think they're giving us 2 weeks to complete it just based on the quests here. So again, as a Star Drop opening channel, I will probably just wait towards the end before I actually play these modes and collect these star drops here. Again, the real question in my mind is, do I even want to attempt pushing a rank 35? Because again, it's just gonna take so long. Even just, oh my god, even just trying to do it in solo showdown or even bothering to find a team comp is just going to be incredibly frustrating. So I don't know if it's worth one exclusive pin or not. But again, let me just put on the music. So you guys can probably tell they have the Halloween music back, they have the Halloween theme, and I'm sure you've noticed this do not enter button. I don't think it's, I think it does have its own exclusive music here, but I just have this weird creepy book that says don't tap. I mean, if you press go home or turn back, it just brings you back to the menu, so I guess you're supposed to like tap it. Why don't you listen? Face the consequences. The bringer of doom. All free rewards removed. What? Resetting account. Not really. Nothing good will come from this. Don't tap. What is happening? You're so forced. Brawl. First account. Server overload. Offenders punished. Luminous. Oh my, what in the Lord's name? The gift of darkness. Does it just keep, what? It just gives random jump scares? What is this nonsense? How can I take this thing? Okay, yeah, so it just gives random creepy messages and jump scares. That's pretty neat, I guess, but again, maybe you guys can tell either I'm too sleep deprived, or I'm so, I can't remember the word, but we'll open up the daily gifts here. Again, I already claimed my 1,000 coins. In about a day, I'll try and make sure to open up the extra star drop. Hopefully the timing will work out. We'll see. But in the shop here, let's see what we got going on. So again, I think all these new seasonal skins that are in the shop for about a week, if you don't purchase them with gems, you'll have a good chance to get them out of those dead boxes. I already just saw someone playing with Decaying Mike in one of my matches to get my 8 wins for the 3 daily star drops. And again, we have Cuckoo Colette, which, I mean, it's alright. It's basically just a reskin of the regular, but again, that's why the price is so low on it. So I think this is just a straight rare, which again, I definitely just try to get for free. In fact, I'd probably just wait till it comes out in the catalog for bling, because I've been getting quite a bit of bling, and I've just been buying the lowest rarity items just so I hopefully have a better chance at getting the higher ones for free. But again, that's not exactly how, you know, rarity works, but it's worth a shot in my opinion. So we have Decaying Mike, a rare skin with a pin. They're all new skins usually. Again, they're all full price, so I don't know if there's any rush to get them, but if you're a collector and you have money, maybe you would consider. So we also have Dark Fairy Janet, an epic skin at 4 times value, but again, as an epic, you could just buy with bling or potentially get it for free out of a star drop. We have Nightmare Nani here, El Dragon Rosado, and Verdoso from yesterday. All these skins are still here for at least 5 more hours. Again, I don't even know if I'm going to post this tonight, just trying to get some more sleep. But again, hopefully you guys purchase these if you're on today. But I have a daily freebie at 10 power points, as well as 5 credits. Have a special offer for additional power points, but again, you guys know how I feel about power points right now, so definitely not going to be doing that. Again, we got some modes back in the game right now. That's probably the most interesting thing going on, with some offers of free star drops as an incentive to just give them a try. Again, I don't know if they've inherently changed anything about the mode since the last time they were in the game, but they're back nonetheless. So again, if you guys do try them, let me know what you think. The word I was going for is desensitized, right? So I'm either too tired or just so desensitized from watching Markiplier's gameplay on YouTube from all his scary games, right? The jump scares don't really faze me all that much anymore. I don't know. Maybe there's still a little knee-jerk reaction in there, but not much. Yeah, but again, besides all the Halloween update madness going on, again, it's cool that they just have an event going on. Is that I have 827 XP doublers and 97,671 power points. Again, guys, don't forget about those exclusive rank 35 rewards. If you care at all about that, they'll probably be released next update, and that's your only chance to get them if you don't have any rank 35s yet. So again, 1 for the pin, 10 for the character title. Again, there's probably a better word for it, but it's essentially one of these titles like they have at the end of the Brawl Pass here. What's it say? Yeah, it's literally just called player title, so you get an exclusive one for having 10 rank 35s, which, again, some players are still far beyond that. They either have really good comps or they just play a lot of solo showdown with win trading question mark. I don't know. Just certainly got to be some strategies to that, but again, I'm pretty happy with this Halloween update going on. I do enjoy Halloween generally as a holiday, so yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking of that. If you're going to keep spamming this book we're not supposed to tap, or if you're going to buy anything new in the shop. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.